Hello guys, good to see you back. Once again I'm back with a new tutorial related JavaScript, and in this tutorial we are going to learn concat and join function. In our previous tutorials we learned all these array methods: sort, reverse, pop, push, shift, unshift, and in this tutorial we are going to cover concat and join. Here you can see an array, and inside this array we have total 3 values: Adwan, Rahul and Aman. Similarly we have another array, and inside this array we have total 2 values: Karan and Ravi. And now you want to join these two array and return one array. You want to merge these two array. For that, we need to use concat method. Concat means concatenation. You can join two string, otherwise two array, using this function. So let's start the practical and see how we can use it. As you can see, side by side, I open my Visual Studio Code editor and my browser using Live Server extension. And I already created a HTML document named index.html. And inside this script tag, you can see an array. And inside this array, we have total 4 values: Smith, Adwan, Rahul and Oliver. And now I want to concatenate this array with another array. To concatenate with another array, we have several different methods. Let me show you the first process. So here, I'm going to take another variable, var p equal to, and now I'm going to use our concatenate function, array dot concatenate. And inside the round braces, I'm going to pass two different names. Our first name is Ravi. And our second name is Kumar. Inside the double quotes, Kumar. Then semicolon 2 in this line. And now I'm going to print this new array in my document. So here I'm going to type document.write. Inside the round braces, I'm going to pass our variable name, B. Then semicolon 2 in this line. If I save this file, you can see in my browser it's printed new array. Here we directly concatenate with our existing array. This 4 value come from our first array and these 2 value come from our second array. Basically we merge these two array. Let me show you another way how we can use concatenate method. So I'm going to comment out this line. And again I'm going to use the same variable name, var b, and now I'm going to create an array. So inside the square braces, inside the double quotes, I'm going to take same name, Ravi. And our second name is Kumar. Then semicolon to end this line. And again, I'm going to concatenate these two array. But this time, we need to create another variable to concatenate. So here I'm going to create another variable. So our third variable name is C, where C equal to array dot concatenate function, concat. Then inside the round braces, we need to pass our second variable, mean our second array, B. It's mean here we concatenate this array variable with this V variable. Both are the array. If I set this file and print this C variable in our document, let me show you document.write C, and then set this file. As you can see, it's written the same result. Now C is a new array, which is made by two array, ARY and B. Not only that, we can merge multiple array at once. Let me show you. So again, I'm going to create another array. And our array name is Z. And here I'm going to pass numeric value, 32 and 65. Now I want to merge 3 array at once. Just we need to use a comma after B, comma Z. It's mean I want to merge these two array with this array. If I save this file, you can see the result. So this is the usage of concat function. I hope now it's clear for you. Now let's talk about another array method, which is join. As you can see, we have a variable, and inside this variable we have total 3 values. These are all different values, but you want to join all the value at once and convert into a string. And when you convert this value into a string, you want to use dash sign, otherwise any sign between them. In that case, you need to use join function. It's going to convert your value into a one single string. So let's start the practical and see how we can use it. So again, I am back to my Visual Studio Code editor. At first, I'm going to comment out all of this line. And now I want to join all this value and convert into a string. For that, first I'm going to take a variable, var x equal to, now we need to use join function, array dot join. Then inside the round braces, we need to provide any character, otherwise any sign that can use as a separator between value. So here I'm going to use dash sign as semicolon to end this line. And now I'm going to print this variable, document.write x. If I save this file, you can see the result. Now it's no longer an array. Now it's a string. Now it's a complete single string. Between them, you can use any sign or any character. If you want to give a space and save this file, as you can see, it provides a space between the value, but it is a complete single string. You can use any sign between these values. For now, I'm going to use slash, and I'm going to save this file. So basically, join function convert array into a string. This is the usage of join function. So I hope now it's clear for you. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.